How to make YouTube Shorts. What do we need for this? Video format 9:16. Duration 5:58 seconds. Record or download a video from the internet and open it in a video editor. Crop the video and remove the excess. You can also speed up the video. We now have a video of the desired length. You can crop the video as needed. Then click Export and choose a format and aspect ratio. The video is ready. Now this is a short YouTube video, which can be uploaded to YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, like and ask questions. Good luck to all of you, and thanks for watching.